Is it legal to use a VPN for crypto trading? What US traders must know. Why is it crucial to report all crypto income to the IRS? Understanding the importance of tax reporting is crucial for every crypto investor. The IRS requires that all income, whether legal or illegal, be reported. This principle is reminiscent of how Al Capone was eventually caught for not reporting his illegal income. Therefore, it's essential to report everything. Is it legal to use a VPN for crypto trading? A common question arises about the legality of using a VPN to trade on foreign exchanges that have restricted American users. Many wonder whether using a non-US VPN address to hide their American identity from these exchanges is permissible by the IRS. Surprisingly, the answer is yes. The IRS does not concern itself with how you manage these interactions as long as all income is reported. The only issue would occur if you're dealing with exchanges based in countries comprehensively sanctioned by the US, which currently are Russia, Iran, North Korea, Syria, Cuba, and Russian-occupied Ukraine. Otherwise, as long as you report all your earnings, you should be fine. Does the IRS get data from foreign exchanges? Platforms like Binance International, which operates out of Malta, are known to share transaction histories with the IRS. This cooperation often stems from exchanges needing to comply with anti-money laundering laws in the US. Consequently, US authorities likely have access to extensive transaction data on American citizens. This data sharing is not confined to the US but extends to J5 countries including Canada, England, the Netherlands, and Australia. These nations exchange transaction records and other information, ensuring that the IRS has access to data from a wide range of sources. Can you really hide your crypto trading from the IRS? It's clear that hiding your activities from the IRS is nearly impossible. Even though you're trading on foreign exchanges, you're likely on and off ramping through US exchanges, making it easy for the IRS to track your transactions. While they may not immediately know the full extent of your holdings, they have the means to find out if necessary. Do mixers or privacy coins protect you from IRS scrutiny? Using tumblers or mixers for crypto transaction might seem like an obscure method. However, they're often seen as anti-money laundering tools, which could increase scrutiny on you. They can also complicate your ability to cash out at a bank. Using encryption coins like Monero, which hide transaction details, could raise suspicions. Although the IRS may not know the specific detail of these transactions, they can still access and monitor the activity. What's the smartest way to stay safe with crypto? The best course of action is to avoid these complicated measures and maintain transparency in your trading activities. While using non-US exchanges is permissible, you must always report all income annually to stay compliant with IRS regulations. Now, let's walk through some of the most common questions that people ask when it comes to using a VPN for crypto trading and IRS compliance. First question, is using a VPN to trade crypto illegal in the US? No, using a VPN is not illegal. What matters to the IRS is that you report all of your crypto income, regardless of how or where you trade it. Next up, can I trade on foreign exchanges with a VPN? Yes, you can. The only restriction is if the exchange is in a sanctioned country. Using VPNs for platforms like Binance or KuCoin is allowed, but remember, every dollar of income must still be reported to the IRS. Here's another one. Does the IRS track VPN usage? No, the IRS isn't tracking your VPN connection. They don't need to. They get their data directly from exchanges and from blockchain tracing tools. And finally, how can CryptoTaxAudit help me stay compliant? At CryptoTaxAudit, we help you handle every stage of crypto tax compliance. That includes preparing your taxes, calculating complex gains, and making sure your reporting is accurate. If the IRS challenges your numbers, we defend them in an audit. Plus, we provide ongoing IRS account monitoring so you can trade with confidence. Our team specializes in crypto-specific tax rules for US traders. Remember, this post is for informational purposes and it's not legal advice. For specialized tax advice and tailored strategies, choose CryptoTaxAudit.com. Don't wait any longer. Contact us today for comprehensive support and guidance. This blog was read by Higgins, Senior Account Manager at CryptoTaxAudit. Hope you enjoyed.